And this is the iSpeed 3, the much talked about Olympus high-speed camera, now available to rent. The kit is delivered in a Peli case. Inside the case we have your white balance and color charts, the iSpeed 3 weighing in at 5 kgs, a range of lenses including primes and a zoom, a CDU monitor which clips into the back, 2 lithium batteries giving you an hour's worth of portability each, 2 8GB compact flash cards, and a USB stick containing the all-important iSpeed transcoding software. Then underneath we have the mains charger that connects into the back of the camera, a CDU cable, a USB card reader, video output cables, and an instruction manual. V-Lock plates are also optional and available on request, along with more information on the lens options available for the iSpeed. The iSpeed shoots at a resolution of 1280 by 1024 at up to 2000 frames per second, with a maximum frame rate of 150,000 frames per second, but at a reduced resolution. It also has the ability to shoot at normal frame rates of 25 frames per second. The camera has a 35mm custom CMOS sensor. The mount is an F-mount. Files are saved to HSV, or high-speed video, onto compact flash, which then has to be run through the iSpeed software. There is an adjustable shutter, controllable white balance, and eye focus. To achieve precision focus, turn the eye focus on, and then red is in focus. There are also external screw holes to attach your tripod head plate. To operate the camera, simply use the CDU monitor, which is very user-friendly. If you're looking for a static shot, first of all attach your tripod plate to the base of the camera, then fix the camera body to the tripod. With the body attached to the tripod, remove the lens cap and attach your required lens. In this case, we've chosen a 24mm. Finally then, connect your CDU monitor to the body using the CDU cable. Now in terms of power, you have several options. You can run straight off the camera's lithium battery, which when fully charged will give you around an hour's worth of battery life. Your other option is to connect the camera straight to the mains, which then in turn charges up the internal battery. Alternatively, V-Lock plates can be attached to the sides. We've hired these PAG batteries, lock them in, and then you're ready to go. Press the red button to begin and you should hear the fan kick in and this LED panel will light up. Press any button to begin and you will see the opening screen and the main menu. Now in this first demonstration we are shooting at 2000 frames per second. That gives you a shooting duration of just over 1.2 seconds. We're using a 24mm lens and this is an outdoor demonstration. In the second demonstration we are shooting at 500 frames per second, which gives us just under 4.9 seconds of shooting duration. We're using a 50mm lens and this is a low light demonstration. Now note, when you press record for the second time, the camera will prompt as to whether you would like to overwrite the current internal buffer. Press yes if you wish to record, or press no if you wish to return. Files are saved onto the camera's internal buffer, which allows you to play them back and fluctuate their frame rate. Once happy, clip in, clip out, and bookmark. Using your bookmarks, you can save the section that you like. Display will show how big the clip is in terms of file size and how much space you have left on the card. Name your clip and save your clip. This takes less than 5 minutes, depending on how much you want to save. The files are compressed onto your compact flash card. When saving the clip, you also have the option of hitting Auto, which will automatically generate a clip name for you. Now the post-production process. First, plug your card reader into your system and attach your card. You'll see that files are saved as HSV. Now the iSpeed conversion process. First of all, open HSV2 frames. Click Input HSV File, choose File. Create a new folder for where the converted files will be located. Now, during the first stage of the conversion of the HSV file, a large quantity of images will be produced. These images are then merged together to form the video in the next stage of the conversion process. But for now, click the Output folder and go to your recently created folder. Click the Add icon and then hit the Start icon. Once that is finished, you will have a file made of thousands of individual images. You can bring these images straight into Final Cut as a sequence of images, or go on to the next stage of the conversion process. Open QuickTime Player 7. Click File, Open Image Sequence. Then double-click the first image of the sequence. Click 25 frames per second, and then OK. Now you have to wait for the movie to open in QuickTime, and this may take a short while. Once it has opened, click File, Export. Create a new folder for the exported file. Export Movies to QuickTime Movie, and then click Options. In Movie Settings, click Settings, Compression Type, Apple ProRes 422HQ. The frame rate should be set as current, and then click OK. Back in Movie Settings, select Size, and check the size of the resolution. If it doesn't say 1280 by 1024, then click Custom and change the size. Once that is done, click OK. In Movie Settings, click OK and name the file accordingly. Once the file has finished exporting, you will have an edit-ready movie to go.